So I'm still on badge one, and this is the Google Docs as a collaborative tool. So for this one, I obviously went to Google Docs, and you can get here by just clicking on the blank one, but since I already have mine, I'll just click on this. And this is the same document that I put on my blog. I just copied and pasted it in here so I could have someone edit it like this one asked for. So at the top, you can see last edit was made yesterday, and so this is all my thing. So if we want to see who made what, we can click on this. And then so you can see that I'm in the green and Anna's in the purple. So she kind of just mostly changed my wording of some stuff that didn't sound too clear. And then you can see at the bottom how she added some statements on maybe what she thinks I can do to make it better. And so, yeah, so this is how you show how two people can go on a document. And this is really cool because you can see exactly what changes were made to your document. So if for some reason you maybe not like the comments, you know exactly what was changed for later review.